Hello guys, how are you? So today I will show you how you can. I know people asking how you can download your songs from Starmaker. So a lot of guys have this problem. So today I will show you how you can do it. It's really easy. Just follow the steps. Okay. So you will go to your profile and choose any song. Choose the song you like to download it. So like many reasons. Oh, it's not solo, so I will choose titanium solo.
Hello guys, how are you?
So
Enjoy with this song titanium.
share it.
Hope you will like it, and do not forget if you
Right, share it just to select the link. So select from HTTPS to last number. Okay, so it's okay. 5 not selected. Okay, I will try to do it like that. Okay, just this part from HTTPS to last number. It's 5 to 5. Okay, so sure. Okay, so here save from .net. It says it. Okay, so go. Paste the link here. Okay, it's worked. So download MP4. Download. Okay, so it's work. Okay. So please guys, if you have any problem, just text me. Okay. Now stop the video for I can show you. Oh, okay. So complete so master and perform. So it's work. I will.
with this song titanium by Sia. Hope you will like it.
So guys, if you like the video and it's done with you, please don't forget to subscribe and like video. Thank you so much. Love you.